Hi, this is Remy from Ovrture, and I'm here today to give you an overview of our new Surveyor feature. So with the Surveyor feature, you can create and send surveys directly within Ovrture. With these surveys, you're going to be able to collect real-time impact data directly from stakeholders like students, faculty, clinicians, or grateful patients, and seamlessly integrate that survey response data directly into your Ovrture stewardship reports. So in this video, I'll show you briefly how the feature works, and we'll start with an example. So this is an Ovrture survey from the perspective of the recipient. Like an Ovrture site or report, this survey features a custom greeting panel as well as that organizational branded content. With this new impact survey panel, you can also mix in interactions and normal content panels to kind of tell the story of the survey. But this impact survey is the real new feature that's really going to be powerfully able to map their survey responses directly into reports. The recipient would click Share Your Impact to open up and begin filling out their responses. And essentially each question here is going to map to a data field within fund data for whatever funds are associated. Some questions will be general information that would apply to all funds that this recipient has benefited from. Some questions will pertain to specific funds, and they would be able to submit when finished. And those responses would then be mapped to data fields within reports. On the user end of Ovrture, we've added a new module underneath Sites and Reports entitled Surveys. From here, you can create a new survey. In that Create New Survey screen, you'd be able to set up the data configuration, which would be how you can choose which data fields are going to be mapped to which questions, set up which questions are mandatory, which ones are going to apply across funds, and put in question and qualifier text. Once your survey is created, you'll see your menu of existing surveys here. You can go to the Recipients menu. You can add recipients one at a time or in bulk via an uploader spreadsheet. And then in order to send your survey out, you can obtain the magic link for either one recipient at a time. You can export a list of magic links, or if you'd like, you can send out a common access link in which the recipient can enter in their email and a magic link will be sent to them automatically. Once the recipient has submitted their survey responses, the status will go from in progress to under review. At that point, you are able to view and edit those responses to review for any typos or any style or grammatical errors that you'd like to correct. Once you are happy with how that response data looks, you can then submit it for approval, do one final check, and then approve it and push that data into the report data menu, where it will live under the impact section of the associated fund. So I hope you've enjoyed this little demo of the Surveyor feature. We're really excited to be rolling this out. We think this is a huge upgrade to the platform, and we're super excited to get feedback and continue improving this feature as you all start to use it. If you have any questions about our survey feature or about Ovrture in general, definitely drop us a line and we'd love to connect.